Do you know you can use AI as a life coach? Now, I'm a life coach, and I'm not saying it replaces a really good life coach. And it's pretty amazing what you can do. You can set it up with the artificial intelligence that it will ask you questions. And as you answer the questions, it will then use that information to help you plan out how to do things, how to create new habits, how to achieve your goals, and much, much more. And if you're not using artificial intelligence yet, start using it. It's really easy. You can use any of the different artificial intelligence programs out there. There's free versions. So it's amazing what you can do, and I really encourage you to start using it. A man named Will Francis, I don't know anything about him, but I just came upon, he put some prompts, some instructions up for people to use to help you plan your year. Figure out what your vision for the year is, your goals, break it down into steps, how to establish new habits. It's really great, and it's free. So I'll put the link in below. And again, you would just take the information, you'd put it into an artificial intelligence program, one of them, and then it will start asking you questions. And you'll learn a lot by answering the questions because you have to think about what's important to you, what do you like, what's enjoyable to you, what you don't like. And then it will help you set your goals for the year and then start looking at how to achieve them. So again, I'll put the link in the comments below, in the information below, and I'd love to hear your comments later about how it worked for you.